keep awake in the transcendence. The time which puts an end to activity, Ratri, the tradition is to keep awake. And this is marriage of Shiva with his own nature. Union of Shiva, union of wholeness of life with its own nature, with its own nature. This is, marriage is symbolic of that, union of the two as one. Shiva and Shakti. The wholeness and that which gives birth to the wholeness. Wholeness of Brahman is born of something. It's born of the total value of creative intelligence. And the union with that field, which is the field of all creative impulses. Now, what is the field of all creative impulses? We know the field of the transcendent, where no waking state, all activity of the waking state put out the transcendent. That is night with reference to waking state. But that night is the field of all impulses of creative intelligence. That all field of creative intelligence meets with the wholeness of knowledge. And this is the marriage. This is the union of Shiva with his complete nature. Complete nature. We have seen this element while considering the source of knowledge, course of knowledge, and the goal of knowledge. The source, course, and goal of knowledge is just the full range of the union of knowledge, the wholeness of knowledge with what produces that knowledge. This union of Shiva, Mahashiva, Maheshwara, Param Shiva. There is a section of society in India, Sampradaya, Shiva Sampradaya, Shiva sect. It's a sect devoted to Shiva. And the goal of all devotion to Shiva is union with Param Shiva. And the union with Param Shiva is by adoring Shakti, his nature. Only one can adore his nature. Because truthfully, the emergence of Shiva, the emergence of Brahman is from the collectedness of the parts. And the parts are the impulses of creative intelligence. The collectedness of parts is that which produces Shiva. And that collectedness of part is the creator, so to say, of Brahman consciousness, which is more than that. So, in the more than that, in the nature of more, is contained the value of the parts. And this is union of Mother Divine with Shiva, with Brahman, the source of Brahman. Brahman, fullness, unites with its agency which gives it birth, which is capable of creation. Mother Divine, we say Mother Divine, the creator of the universe. That full value of creative intelligence, which is the nature of Brahman, manifesting its nature to give life to the full range of knowledge, is the purpose of observance of this night. Keep awake when it's the time to put out all activity. At least it is clear on the level of cosmic consciousness. If Brahman is inconceivable, then at least quite at hand is that value of Brahman, which has two aspects to it, with the bridge, the gap in between, the two aspects, Brahman and its nature, objective and subjective values.